What if you could take any business, any product, any idea, type in your website URL and in under 5 minutes get a complete set of professional marketing materials, social media campaigns, product photos, a full website, a brand book, all generated automatically, all completely free. No Canva subscription, no graphic designer, no credit card. This is Google Pomelli, and today I'm going to show you exactly how it works from scratch. Let's go. Head over to labs.google.com/Pomelli and sign in with your Google account. No credit card, no subscription, just Gmail. Click on Let's Get Started, agree to the terms, and on the next screen, uncheck the mailing list options if you prefer and click Confirm. Now Pomelli will show you a welcome page highlighting its 4 main features: build your business DNA, get campaign ideas and assets, generate a product photo shoot, and create your brand book and website. We are going to use all 4 today. Click Let's Go. Now, a box appears asking for your website URL. I'm pasting in my website URL, calcbharat.online. Click Continue and Pomelli starts reading my entire website. Watch what it extracts. In about a minute, it has pulled my website name, the URL, the exact fonts being used, the exact color palette, my brand tagline, brand values, brand aesthetics, tone of voice, and a full business overview. I did not type a single word of this. I did not upload a logo. I did not pick colors. Pomelli read my website and figured out my entire brand identity by itself. This is the business DNA. Every single design Pomelli creates from this point forward will be built on this foundation. Click Let's Go. Now Pomelli shows me 4 features to choose from. Let me start with campaigns. The campaigns page has a prompt box in the middle and 3 suggested campaign ideas generated directly from my business DNA at the bottom. Look at these: know your tax in 60s, verify your tax savings, Bigha to Gaj in seconds. These are not generic templates. Pomelli read my website and understood exactly what my business does and who my audience is. I'm clicking on Bigha to Gaj. In seconds, it generates 4 completely designed creative posts, all using my brand colors, my brand fonts, my brand tone, 4 different layout variations of the same campaign ready to post. I'm clicking on one to showcase it. Professional, on brand, completely free. Now let me show you a custom campaign. Back on the campaigns page, I'm typing in the prompt box, a campaign for students preparing for their 2026 income tax filing for the first time, explaining how Calc Bharat makes it simple and free. Click Generate. Pomelli first shows me the campaign brief, the strategy, the messaging, the target audience. It looks good, so I click Confirm. Then it generates 4 new creative posts in about 80 seconds. Look at these: student-focused tax filing theme, completely on brand. I'm clicking on the first one and using the Fix Layout button to refine the typography. Perfect! 2 complete campaigns generated in under 3 minutes, 0 design skills needed. Now let me show you the Photoshoot feature. Click Photoshoot in the left panel. There are 2 options: create a product photo shoot and generate or edit an image. Let me show you both. I am clicking on Create a product photo shoot. I am uploading screenshots of my Pomodoro app, a minimal Pomodoro focus timer I built. I select one of the uploaded images and choose the studio template. Click Generate Photo Shoot. In 90 seconds, look at this: 4 studio quality product photographs of my app. 3 of them look genuinely professional. A mobile app screenshot turned into a premium studio product shot. This is the kind of image that would cost thousands of rupees to produce with a professional photographer. Pomelli did it in 90 seconds, for free. I'm saving all 4 images to assets. Now the second option, generate or edit an image. I'm selecting the same app screenshot and typing this prompt: Pomodoro Focus Timer app displayed on a sleek black smartphone, minimal dark aesthetic floating on a clean dark studio background with soft dramatic lighting, premium tech product photography style, ultra realistic. 40 seconds again, and now I have 4 completely new images. A real-looking smartphone with my app displayed on it, floating against a dramatic dark background with professional lighting. This is not just a screenshot anymore. This is a marketing asset, saving 2 assets. One more, same image, new prompt: Pomodoro Focus Timer app on a smartphone placed on a wooden desk beside a cup of coffee, natural window light, productivity lifestyle photography, shallow depth of field, ultra realistic. 40 seconds again, and now I have a lifestyle photography set. Phone on a wooden desk, cup of coffee, books, pen, the complete productivity aesthetic. 3 completely different photography styles from one app screenshot, all free. Now click on Brand Book in the left panel. It loads for 30 to 40 seconds and then shows me a cover selection screen. Pomelli has automatically generated 6 cover designs using my exact brand colors. I am selecting the first AI-generated cover and confirming. Now my brand book appears. Everything that was in the business DNA is now presented in a scrollable, shareable, professional document. Brand colors, fonts, tone of voice, brand values, visual guidelines, all in one place. If you ever work with a designer, a social media manager, or a printing company, you send them this and your brand stays perfectly consistent everywhere. Generated in under a minute from your website URL. Now, the most impressive feature. Click on Websites in the left panel. Pomelli starts generating a website and in about 90 seconds, a complete website appears built from my business DNA. I am clicking Preview in New tab. Now watch this. I have my actual Calc Bharat website on one side and Pomelli generated website on the other. They have similar color schemes, similar structure, similar visual identity. Pomelli read my website and built a new one inspired by it. I am clicking Regenerate. Another 90 seconds and this version is noticeably better, closer to my actual website, more polished layout, better use of my brand colors. And here's the final thing. There's a Publish button. Click it and Pomelli puts this website live on the internet for anyone to visit. A complete website built from a URL, published online for free. So here's everything Google Pomelli gives you completely free. A business DNA profile built automatically from your website, social media campaigns generated in seconds using your exact brand identity, professional product photography without a camera or studio, a complete brand book ready to share with anyone, and a full website generated from scratch and published live online. One free Google account, one website URL, 0 rupees. If this was useful, hit subscribe. Every single week I cover free Google AI tools exactly like this one, and next week's video is something you genuinely do not want to miss. I'll see you there.